Hello, this is Echonoch Meditation. Today, we will focus solely on our breathing. In the simple flow of inhale and exhale, the mind becomes calm. Let's stay with that one breath, here and now. For 5 minutes, remain gently with your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose. Pause for a moment. Exhale softly. Once more, breathe in. Pause. And breathe out. Deep breathing releases the tension within. Each inhale brings new energy, each exhale lets go of old worries. In that rhythm, find your sense of ease. As your breath deepens, your heart expands. I create calm within each breath. This is a moment to rest inside your breathing. I fill myself through the flow of breath. Bring today's intention gently into your mind. Today, I observe myself through my breath. Each breath steadies and renews me. With deep breaths, I begin to restore myself. Take a long, slow inhale. Pause gently. And breathe out. Today, simply follow your breath, without thinking. With each deep breath, I fill myself again. Inhale deeply and create spaciousness within. With that feeling, let's complete today's breathing. Stay connected with your breath for the rest of the day. Today, offer yourself the kindness of one gentle breath. Now, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for meditating with me today. Echonoch is a space for those who meditate together. Tomorrow, let's begin another peaceful day together.